4, 3.
We did.
Yeah. So that diagram, you see, we use the resistor, right? And we
Yeah.
use one voltmeter, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
they are now asking you if there any change in the voltage, like you here, there we used 1.5, right? In our previous circuit. Now we are using
Sir,
6 volt.
if voltage increases, then does the resistance decrease?
We try to understand it from the diagram, okay? We try to understand from the formula also. I will not say you directly, you will find it. Okay, if you can't, then I will tell. Okay, so uh, Ziba, can you draw the diagram again here, like last week?
Yes.
You today you draw two diagrams, one for 1.5 volt, another one you draw
Yes.
for 6 volt. Then we can understand it clearly.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Adnan, how are you?
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you for joining. We are continuing, Adnan, the previous question. Question number 4. Question number 4, A and B we did last week. Today we did part C also. Now we are doing part D. To understand part D, we are drawing this diagram. Is it clear, Adnan?
Yes, sir.
You can see the whole thing in your
কে
laptop.
আঁকতেছে এটা? জিবা?
If you are having the uh, connection with Google Classroom, then you can see the file over there, uploaded file.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's nice. Okay, then beside it you draw another one that is 6 volt.
Okay. With serial cells
No,
or
no,
just
no.
6 volt?
You just simply you draw and you just label 6
6.
volt. We'll understand. No problem.
Okay.
Everyone, you do it for part D. Huh? You write here 4D, then you draw these diagrams so that we can compare. Huh? They are asking us, will there be any change in resistance? Yeah, level 6 volt and just R. Okay. Then we are going to question again. In the power supply, you give 6 volt. Yes, good. Then here R. Now we are going to the question again. You keep it, huh? You keep the diagram, don't remove it. Uh, So here we can show you. The student repeats her experiment using the largest voltage. state and explain whether this produces a different value for the resistance R. So what do you think? The resistance will be changed anyway.
The resistance will be changed
Why the resistance will be changed?
because resistance is directly
Okay,
proportional to the.
we are writing the equation. The equation gives you
Get it?
V equals IR, right?
Yes, sir.
IR. And you also know that if there is no change in temperature, then for any conductor, V is uh, directly proportional to the current, right? We know this.
Yes, sir.
So that one I have to actually annotate in this way, not V.
Should I write it?
Yeah, no problem. I'm doing it this way. So when it is happening, V is directly proportional to I if R is constant. R is a fixed resistor here, right? R is constant. It is tough. I'm writing the text.
আচ্ছা বাকিটা আমি লিখি
If R is constant, that's the writing.
Yes, R is constant. You write that, no problem. In bracket,
লিখেছি
yeah,
স্যার
yes. R is constant. If R is constant. So, so don't do your diagram I need. Yeah, keep it there. Don't remove. Okay, fine. Now, look, we actually don't change the resistance, do we? Here we are
No.
not changing the resistance. We are only changing the power supply. Power supply is giving us more voltage here. So we will get more current, isn't it?
Yes.
So resistance, we are keeping it fixed. We did not change it. Is it clear? This is the
Yes.
this is the first thing we are getting, that resistance will be same. Then there might be some extended explanation, like if we are having more current, like any conductor, if you are having more current, there will be more temperature, right? Isn't it? Normally we will have same resistance. We write here, normally we will have here same resistance as we are not changing the resistor. However, due to
স্যার এক মার্কের জন্য এত কিছু
though I am not saying you to write so many things, but I am giving you more ideas. Okay, if you just write that here resistance is same, then your answer is okay. Resistance is same like before, your answer is complete. But for your understanding, I am giving some extended things. However, due to uh, more flow of current, temperature of the conductor will increase, of the conductor will increase and for that the value of resistance will be little bit more. Okay, the value of resistance will be little bit more. If there is more current flowing, then there will be resistance, there will be temperature more in the conductor, and because of this more temperature there will be little bit resistance more. Resistance. Okay, so it's done, huh? Question number 4 is done. Now we are checking from the mark scheme, huh? Our answers, what the mark scheme is giving us, then you will get more confident.
ওরে বাবা, আপনার গুগল ড্রাইভ তো দেখি আধার বেশি শেষ। আপনার গুগল ড্রাইভ তো দেখি আধার বেশি স্টোরেজই শেষ।
Really? Four two. So this one.
আচ্ছা স্যার, পেপার 4 নাকি ইউজুয়ালি পেপার 4 নাকি ইউজুয়ালি পেপার 3 থেকে ইজি হয়, কিন্তু পেপার 3 নাকি বেশি
এটা
ইম্পর্টেন্ট
সবাই
লাইফে।
বলে।
Yes, listen, if if you think about your A level, then you should prefer,
হ্যাঁ, ওই তো এ লেভেল যে পেপার 3।
yeah, you should prefer paper 3. But if you are thinking only for results, like you don't want to do that much labor, but you want to get better grades, then you can go for paper 4. Okay,
আর যদি দুইটাই হয়?
sorry,
ওইটা তো দেওয়াও যায় না।
only you have to choose
যাইও কি?
anyone, either 3 or 4, anyone, not 2.
কিন্তু স্যার এখন তো আমাদের মানে পেপার 3 নিচ্ছিল তো ফোর্সফুলি পেপার 4 নিতে হইতেছে।
Okay, we are doing paper 4. However, it is also helping you to build the idea of paper 3 in some cases. Like
এখন
already,
তো পেপার 3 করা যাবে না, তাই
no, we can do. Hopefully, school will open very soon, and
হ্যাঁ, স্কুল খুলতে হবে, এখন তো করা যাবে না।
and already we I sent you one link in your group that about the O level exams. Did you see that?
Yeah, November, October.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, অক্টোবর
It's
নভেম্বরে
gonna
নাকি
happen.
নরমালটাই নেবে। হ্যাঁ,
Yes. If someone is choosing paper 3, they will have the practical exams. So they are going with the normal exams.
দাঁড়াও, মেইন জুনে যদি এক্সাম নি
অক্টোবর
ওটা তো
নভেম্বরে
হবেই।
আরেকটা নেয় না, অক্টোবর নভেম্বরেই তোর ইয়ে দিবে, নরমাল এক্সামই নিবে।
So why I am saying about October, November? So your May, June is far away. So it will be must like normal
কনফার্মড,
exams.
হ্যাঁ।
Yeah, that's why I sent you, so that you are getting the correct signal, correct message. Okay, you can get prepared from now on. Okay, look here. Here I gave
ওয়েট
no
হোল্ড অন,
change.
এই অক্টোবর নভেম্বরে এই অক্টোবর নভেম্বর
হ্যাঁ
দিছো?
হ্যাঁ,
Look, look it here, Adnan. No change, same value. If you are
বলেন
writing
স্যার।
it, if you are writing it, it is correct. No change in the resistance, or you are writing same value, it is correct. Beside your same value, you should mention and resistance independent of voltage depends only on resistor. That is the equation I told. V equals IR. That one. V is
আচ্ছা
directly
স্যার আইজিসিএসই আর সিআইই এর মধ্যে ফিজিক্স ইজি কোনটা?
this one, the one you are taking.
তাহলে আইজিসিএসই তে মানুষ যায়ও কেন? ওটা কি জীবনে এমন কোনো ভালো কাজে আসে সিআইই থেকে বেশি?
যার যেটা করে
IGCSE
তোমার কি
actually made in a way so that you know you have only 4 papers, right? IGCSE they have 6 papers. Azan is going on. Just hold on. Just 1 or 2 minutes. Then I will continue. Saying you have paper 1 for MCQ, right? Hello.
Yeah.
But in IGCSE there is paper 1 and paper 2 for MCQ. Okay, so who are doing only core things, like they who are not that much brilliant student, weaker students, they have only core part of the syllabus. They are not doing extended part of the syllabus. So for them the MCQ part has easier questions, and also for extended candidates there is tougher questions. So they who are thinking that they cannot go for the extended part, they are only taking paper 1. Okay, paper 1, but they who are thinking they are capable of doing extended part, they are taking only paper 2. Is it clear? This is about IGCSE. Then
Yes sir.
the same way they have paper 3 and paper 4 for structured part, writing part. So paper 3 will be easier, only core part. Paper 4 is extended part. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
And for the other things,
the ইউনিভার্সিটিতে কি পেপার 1 এক্সটেন্ডেড বা করে এরকম নিলে কোনো এফেক্ট করে?
yes, even the results also affected, like they who are taking only paper 1, paper 3, they will not get more than C grade. Okay, their best grade will be C. Is it clear?
তাইলে তো এক্সটেন্ডেড, আর এক্সটেন্ডেডটা হচ্ছে আমাদেরটার মতোই।
Yes. So extended one is taken by the most of the candidates. If anyone is thinking that he is not capable for extended, then he or she is taking that core curriculum only. So it is the difference. Then another difference is the timing of exams. Like for your MCQ part, you are getting 1 hour, right? Isn't it? 40 questions, you are getting
হ্যাঁ,
1
ওরা
hour,
40 minutes নাকি?
so, but they are getting only 45 minutes. Okay, then another thing, for 75 marks structure,
কোয়েশ্চেন প্যাটার্নও কি হার্ড
yeah,
তার উপর,
their
নাকি
question
কোয়েশ্চেন প্যাটার্ন
pattern,
সেম?
they have more, curriculum rather than you. Whatever you have, they have something more in their curriculum. Like you don't have momentum in your discussion, right? But they have momentum. Okay, there is something extra in their syllabus.
Sir,
And this syllabus, the syllabus you are following now, that is GC O level, it is only available now in Bangladesh and Pakistan. Okay, the other countries, they are following all IGCSE. India, they started it around 2012-13, that time they started IGCSE. And from then they are only doing IGCSE in February, March. In our for the whole world, there are two sittings for IGCSE A levels. One is May June, another one is October November. But for India there is only one sitting, that is February March. That's only for India. Is it clear?
স্যার তাহলে আমাদের তো CIE
CIE, both are CIE. CIE has IGCSE and GCE both. Okay.
তুমি CIE
তার মানে কি
টা
আইজিসিএসই নেওয়া ভালো ওভারঅল?
Yeah, that's
But
better now
complicated.
because that is upgraded one.
কিন্তু আলটিমেটলি তো
The
স্যার
latest
ইউনিভার্সিটিতে
one.
কিভাবে জিজ্ঞেস করে, ওরা তো জাস্ট গ্রেডই দেখে।
I think within short time in our country also the schools will shift to IGCSE, because many of the schools also in our country they are also offering IGCSE. Yeah. Many of the schools they are also following IGCSE syllabus, but most of the schools is still in the previous GCSE O level, and hopefully they will also shift to IGCSE very soon.
আমাদেরটা কি?
Our one
আমাদের
is
GC
GCE O level.
আমাদের GC
হ্যাঁ,
মানে
GC
বাংলাদেশের হার্ড দেখে আইজিসিএসই নিবে নাকি এটাই?
GC actually the thing is that is upgraded one, so we should go for the upgraded one, the latest one, right?
সেটা তো IGCSE
কেন জিসি এর সিলেবাস ওভাবে চেঞ্জ করে দিক?
GC actually there are less number of candidates now, and they will just shift for only one in future, not two. Okay, it was previous one, some of the candidates or the schools or centers they were following, that's why they didn't do it suddenly, but they will gradually shift to all to IGCS. Okay, you know, to change
তাহলে
anything we need some infrastructure or experienced teacher, then experienced materials.
সাডেনলি আই ফিল লাইক আমার সারা জীবন তাহলে পুরো পানিতে গেছে।
No,
I know,
অবশ্য সেটা
right?
যায়
I feel
নাই,
like I'm
বাট
being
না
scammed.
হ্যাঁ না
Not in-
যায় নাই এটা শিওর থাক, বাট আমার কেন যেন মনে হচ্ছে যে সারা জীবনের পড়াশোনা পানিতে গেছে।
আমার
No,
মনে
no,
হচ্ছে আমি হলো এই 15 বছর ওয়েস্ট করে গেলাম মাত্র।
no, you did not waste the things I
ওয়েস্ট
told
হয় নাই, বাট মনে হচ্ছে যে ওয়েস্ট হইছে।
you did not
হ্যাঁ
waste. There is upgraded,
sir-
but the core things or the basic things are common. Huh? There is difference in you know, materials or the
আচ্ছা স্যার,
presentation.
স্কলাস্টিকা কোনটা ফলো করে?
I have to check it. I know some of the schools in our country they are following IGCSE, but I'm not sure
Come on.
which are those. I have
আচ্ছা
to check.
ওয়েট স্যার শুনুন, আমাদের তো পুরোটা ফলো করতে GC O levels, right?
Not only our school, around
বাই দ্য ওয়ে আমাদের ক্লাস টাইম কিন্তু শেষ।
Dhanmondi, all the schools are following this one.
হ্যাঁ ওইটা ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু এই সিস্টেম ফলো করে বাইরের দেশে ইউনিভার্সিটি যাওয়া যাবে?
No problem. They
স্কলারশিপ
this
পাবো
give-
তো?
yes, you
আচ্ছা না,
are following
আলটিমেটলি
the
শোন
Cambridge
আয়শা, একদিকে আমরা
syllabus.
এখানকার
জিসি
যে
নিয়ে
সিলেবাস তো শেষ পর্যন্ত তো সিআই দিয়ে পরীক্ষা দিছো।
Yes, you are following the
এখন কোন
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
syllabus
Cambridge
আছে ওটা
আলটিমেটলি তো
ওদের
স্যার
problem না।
শোনেন, ওদের হচ্ছে আইজিসিএসই, আমাদের জিসি। তার মানে ওরা ভাববে যে আলটিমেটলি সিআই তো এরকম হইতে পারে যে আমরা ভালো গ্রেডস পাইলাম, আলটিমেটলি ভাবে আইজিসিএসই তে ভালো গ্রেডস পাইছি।
No, they are not
তো ডিমান্ড তো
giving.
বাড়ার কথা না।
They are not seeing it that way. They are giving the equivalent.
সিআই থেকে দিছে
honor.
তাই দেখবে।
They are
ওই
giving the
সেটাই তো, তাহলে তো
equivalent
একই
honor
কথাই
grade.
আলটিমেটলি।
Yeah,
হ্যাঁ তোমরা যে কি লাগাইছো।
they are not judging in
আমি
different
কি
way.
নাম্বার
They
3
are judging in
করেছি?
the same way. Okay, now we are concluding. Yeah, we have only few seconds.
নাম্বার 3 কি করেছিলাম?
Number
sir,
3
time
we did not
শেষ।
do. We will do it later then. Look,
তাহলে
look
এটা
at
এরপর
পরে
your-
বায়োলজি
submit করবো?
টেস্ট না আয়শা?
Okay, look.
জানি না।
Finish it, huh? Listen.
Officer.
Listen. Just 30 seconds. Look here. Part D, you understood the first part, right? No change in resistance, same value, because the resistance independent of voltage or depends only on the resistor. Okay, so resistance is here fixed. That's why it is not changed. Now another one is I gave you the extended one. If someone is writing only this part, this is also accepted. That means resistance increases and resistor becomes hot. As the temperature increases, resistance increases little bit. So you got the explanation, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
So
sir.
this idea also will help you in P3. Don't worry, huh? We are doing P4, then you don't think it's not helping us in P3. This idea also comes in P3. Okay, thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
The theory part after ইয়েতে আসে